Hi, and welcome to this lesson on how to play Are You Sleeping? This song uses just one chord, so it's a great song to get you started playing the ukulele right away. As soon as you're ready, put yourself into playing position and let's get started. Begin by putting both hands into position ready to play a C chord. To play this song, just sing the song as you would normally, playing a C chord at the beginning of each line. Let me demonstrate. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. Watch this video again to review and practice this song as many times as possible. You'll get better and better each time you play it. Keep up the good work and see you next lesson.